Hi everyone, I'm Mr. Fred from GetMeCoding.com, and thanks for coming out to check out my blog post while my dog is barking in the background. Okay, so what I'm here to tell you today is I want to help you out with a device that really helped me. Several years ago, I started to develop a pain that radiated up my forearm here and actually came up around my back shoulder and even into my neck. And it was painful to the point where I could only sit here to do work on the keyboard and the mouse for about 15 minutes, and then I would have to get up, stretch, and move around again, which is probably a good thing to do. You shouldn't sit too long. But one of the things that I needed to do was seek some medical help. So everything I have in this blog post, please first, if you're encountering any pains at all in, when you're working at your computer or wherever, seek professional medical help. Okay, so that's the first and foremost. I am not a medical professional, and what I'm recommending here by no means is a cure for anything. However, for me, it worked. So after seeing a physical therapist, and they were trying to get me back on track with some exercises, some stretching, and so on, it really came down to trying to figure out a way to really relieve the stress that I was repetitively putting on my forearm. So if you're doing a mouse all the time, you're always working a strain on the wrist area and so on. So my pain was on the top side. Some people I know get it underneath, but mine was up here. I ended up looking at a lot of devices, a lot of different kind of mice, and what I ended up finding though was this, and this is the Penclic. The Penclic, it looks just like a pen, hence the name I suppose, right? And this is the D2, and the D2 has a little mouse wheel on here, and it has a number of buttons that you could utilize just like on your mouse. And it's very light, and it actually took my hand out of that position that was constantly straining it, and it rotated it like a pen. That allowed me to start to relax and rest it. Because one thing though I noticed was I really couldn't stop. I really couldn't, stop doing all my work because I would not get anything done. That would cause another problem. So take a look at this. In the blog post here on the website, and also in the comment sections, I provide a link that'll take you out to my Amazon affiliate account. And yeah, in all full disclosure, when you purchase something through my link, I do get a small percentage of that sale, which helps keep the lights on, computers on, everything on here around GetMeCoding.com. So with that being said, check it out, give it a try. It might be the thing that you could use that either will avoid an injury or maybe help alleviate and put you back onto a healing path. All right, take care everybody. See you online.